Hey guys, Taylor Stark here. Today we'll be breaking into this Topps Baseball 2018 Series 1 trading cards. There's either one autograph or relic card in every box, hobby box, alongside this silver pack. So let's get into it. I'll save the silver pack for last. This knife over here. And it begins. Robert Usono, Matt Schumacher, Ichiro, Aaron Judge, another Aaron Judge. Ooh, and the throwback card, Jose Barrios. That's cool. Miami Marlins card. AJ Pollock card. Chase Anderson. Buster Posey. Zach Godley, Brett Phillips, Dylan Bundy, Rice Hoskins, a Eric Hosmer Superstar Sensation. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, Christian Arroyo, 109 and 299. And the Giants, a favorite team. That's awesome. Memorial Day. That one's going to get kept up. Wilmer Flores. Jordy Mercer. Logan Forsythe. And Eugenio Suarez. Over here. Nick Markakis, George Polanco, Lewis Brinson, Dylan Peters, rookie card Dominic Smith, rookie card Garrett Cooper, New York Yankees, Nick Ahmed, Byron Buxton, and Lonnie Chisenhall. Dang, all these names are, I'm butchering them. Eduardo Nunez, Bruce Maxwell, league leaders Giancarlo Stanton. That's cool. Max Scherzer. That's also league leaders. Nice. Mike Moustakas. Rookie card Luis Guerra. Rookie card Tyler Mahel. Jeff Samardzija. Pat Valleca. And Lance Lynn. Starlin Castro. Wilson Contreras. Rookie card, Austin Hayes. Rookie card, Richard Urena. Chris Sale, Jackie Robinson Day. Not numbered though. That's quite alright. Adubel Herrera. Ledmes Diaz. Alex Bregman, 2017 World Series highlights. Johnny Cueto. And Nolan Arenado. Tyler Flowers. Miguel Sano. Mike Trout. Roddy Reed, rookie card. J.D. Davis, rookie card. Jack Flaherty, rookie card. It's kind of different. Brian Dozier. Nick Williams, rookie card. Ramil Tapia. And Michael Wacha. Before I just move this over. Adam Jones, Jose Reyes, Ozzy Albies, rookie card. League leader Zach Davies. Another throwback card, Carlos Martinez. Over here. Corey Knebel. League leaders Corey Kluber. Washington Nationals. Michael Lorenzen. And Dinelson Lamet. Kojay Uhara. Cesar Hernandez. Raciel Iglesias. Ryan Zimmerman. Ooh, another throwback, rookie card. Alex Verdugo. Huh. Cam Gallagher, rookie card. Ian Happ, Future Stars. That's cool. Jordan Zimmerman, Chris Archer, and James McCann. Still a lot of cards to go. Still haven't found that relic yet. Hunter Renfroe, Mike Clevenger, Adam Wainwright, Nelson Cruz, league leaders. League leaders Eric Hosmer, superstar sensation Trea Turner, league leaders Jose Altuve, Detroit Tigers, Kevin Kiermaier, alright, Nate Jones, Cameron Rupp, Billy Hamilton. League leaders Corey Kluber. Seattle Slayers, Double Dare You. That's one of those collect things. Huh, put that over there. Manny Machado, Home Run Challenge. Huh. Some grand prize drawing. That's cool. Have to check that out. We win something. Tim Anderson. Another one of these cards. Who's on first? Dexter Fowler. David Dahl. And Mike Leake. Martin Maldonado, Christian Yelich, Anthony Rizzo, league leaders Cody Bellinger, Robinson Cano, Superstar Sensations, Travis d'Arnaud, Philadelphia Phillies team card, Danny Salazar, Edwin Diaz, and Anthony Sensatella. These cards over. Ton of cards. Yasiel Puig, Matt Kemp, Robbie Grossman, Ryan McMahon, rookie card, Trey Mancini, another throwback card, Jeff Bagwell, that's cool, Trevor Story, Carlos Azodue, Michael Fulmer, Corey Dickerson. Again, I'm horrible with these names, I just butcher them. Mark Trumbo, Dylan Betances, league leader Jason Vargas, Jason Worth, Superstar Sensation Yadier Molina, Yasmani Grandal, league leader Daniel Murphy, team card Milwaukee Brewers, Josh Reddick, and Andrew Kashner. Let's see, let me organize these. Just ridiculous. Alrighty. Jose Perella, Francisco Linder, James Paxton, Marcel Ozuna, league leaders Giancarlo Stanton, another throwback, Nolan Arenado, that's cool, Cleveland Indians, Danny Duffy, Troy Tulowitzki, Alex Wood. Topps Now card. Don't know what this is. A redemption code? Huh. I'll look into that. That's some interesting cards in here, to say the least. Clayton Kershaw, Jose Quintana, league leaders Luis Severino, Chris Davis, league leader, Ben Gamel, Father's Day, that's cool. Carlos Gonzalez, rookie card Jack Flaherty, rookie card Jimmy Sherfay, Stephen Piscotty, and Marwin Gonzalez. I don't know how many packs I opened. This is, wow, a lot. Felipe Rivero, Mike Fears, J.A. Happ, Danielle Murphy. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you can see that. Yugeris Solerte. That's one of those foil cards, I believe. Keon Broxton. Yugeris Solerte. Adrian Beltre. Ian Kennedy. And Justin Smoke. Holy cow, I'm gonna try to move quicker now. Got a ton in here. But trash out. Not you. Alright. Kyle Schwarber. Nick Pivetta. Amir Garnett. Zach Granite rookie card. Nicky Delmengo rookie card. Johnny Damon Legends. Huh. Boston Red Sox team card. Chelsea Cuthbert, Jose Batista, Carlos Rodin, and another Topps card. Topps Now card. Miguel Cabrera, Jake Ordezi, Joe Musgrove, Charlie Blackmon, league leaders, Jackson Stevens, Eric Hosmer, Silver Slugger. That's cool. Eddie Rosario, Atlanta Braves, Team Curran, Anthony Redden, and Chris Sale. Move these out of the way. Jose Iglesias, Evan Longoria, Paul Blackburn, rookie card. Chance Sisco, rookie card. Harrison Bader, rookies. Jock Peterson, Clayton Kershaw, league leaders. Jed Garilka, Chad Cole, and Jason Kipnis. Jake Marisnick, Sin Chu Chu, Mike Moustakas, Parker Bridwell, rookie card, Christian Arroyo, league leaders Aaron Judge, Brandon Belt, Hunter Pence, Oops. Robbie Ray and Jonathan Viller. Still no relic or autograph, but pretty much guaranteed, I'm sure. Daniel Columbi, Greg Holland, Colton Wong, Luis Santos, rookie card Jimmy Sherfay, another one of those foil things. Actually looks messed up right there. Huh. That's odd. I don't know if you can see that spot. Weird. Oh wait, no, that's a person. Huh. Stupid me. Brett Gardner. Rookie card J.P. Crawford. Starling Marte. John Lackey. And Mikhail Franco. I was thinking I had a messed up card. That would have been sick. But nope, I was just being an idiot. Nomar Mazara. Jack Cozart. Greg Allen rookie card. Amid Rosero rookie card. Ivan Rodriguez. Legends. Matt Joyce. Victor Robles. Ariel Miranda. DeHaro Cotton. And another Manny Machado card. Alright, we're putting a dent in it. There's still a ton of cards to go. Daniel Norris. Andy Herchavare. Carlos Santana. Miguel Andujar, rookie card. Brian Anderson, rookie card. Throwback Justin Turner. That's cool. Michael Conforto. League leaders Joey Gallo. Julio Reyes. Gio Gonzalez. There we go. Mix them around real quick. George Springer. Elvis Andrews. Salvador Perez. Dominic Smith, rookie card. Nolan Ryan, throwback. That's cool. Lots of cards, dude. Mark Reynolds. Boston B-Boys.